So, what MetaMask is? MetaMask is a crypto wallet on an Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask functions as both a browser extension and a mobile app, providing users with a user-friendly interface. Now let's make our own MetaMask wallet. At first, open your Chrome browser and click on three dots in the top right corner. Click on Extensions and then Chrome Web Store. Now write to the search bar MetaMask and search. First one should be the right one, or just pick same as me. Then click on blue button Add to Chrome. Now let your browser download the extension and wait for the window to pop out. After the download, it's time to create our wallet. Now we downloaded the extension, so let's register our wallet. Check the box and click on the blue button like I did. Creating strong password is the most important thing. I recommend using letters, numbers, and special characters in your password to protect your wallet. Second important layer of security is secret recovery phrase. Every crypto wallet has this type of security. All you have to do is write down or take a picture of these 12 words and save them. This will be handy when you forgot your password or someone stole your wallet. Now just fill the missing words to confirm that you saved your secret recovery phrase. And now you are done. All you need to do is open MetaMask in Chrome and use it like you want. For example, storing and managing cryptocurrencies. MetaMask allows users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and tokens built on the Ethereum blockchain or manage tokens on other EVM-compatible blockchains, such as Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and more. With MetaMask, you can manage multiple wallets, and networks users can create and manage multiple accounts within MetaMask, allowing for better organization and separation of funds. MetaMask supports easy switching between different Ethereum networks, Mainnet, Ropsten, Kovan, etc., and custom networks, making it versatile for development and testing purposes. Security is main focus. MetaMask securely stores users' private keys locally on their devices, providing a secure environment for signing transactions. Users can review and confirm transactions before they are broadcast to the blockchain, adding an extra layer of security. Overall, MetaMask serves as a user-friendly bridge between the traditional web and the decentralized web, empowering users to engage with the growing ecosystem of blockchain-based applications and services.